Daki hajar ngot kipajba na kasnong Maikhuli, kasnong kaput Hariboy district, kabadai ru kasnong kabadon kumbat arspa new po ying ay mentakas ngi kilapan long kajing yaj pajba, bat kata kalong banpan pau ya kajing persya bandu no ya kapung snong Maikhuli kabadai katkum kajing soy memorandum of understanding jong kajing baikput hapadeng kajela Meghalaya bat Assam. Kanong rim kabalapan long ya kipat Garo na kasnong Maikhuli makin penlong ia katai kajing yaj pajba kadai ba ki penut bentuk no ia katai kapung snong ia kaba ki lari bat sumar bha nalor kata kadai ru kapung snong ba kasnong kari dokha bat ia kapisa kabami na kabaki di ya ki dokha na katai kapung layok pat ban yarap ya ka skul kabadon hapo katai kasnong ban syukedaw hangne ha kajing penbaik kaput hapo katai ka snong ha kaba kajing ya soy MoU kalong ba ulum jingtep bat kamadan football kan hap ha Meghalaya Henry kapung jong ka Maikhuli kala hap no sha Assam Henry halor katei ka MoU kipat ba na katei ka snong kila persya jur namar ba ki bendot ia katei ka pung snong bat ki bala dawa sendon ia ka sorkar jela bahkan ya keren bat ka sorkar Assam na benta ban pynkylla no ia ka MoU khnang ba katei ka pung kan hap hapo Meghalaya. Habakran siklat thai kubor urang ba snong lembat urang ba snong barim kilapan pau baleng ba kate kajing yaj pajba kilada wabiang na kasorkar jela bat Assam ban pynkylla no ia ka MoU balaya soy bat ban pai no ia ka nega pung ri dokha sya ka snong Maikhuli bat kin om ailat dalele bandu no ia kate kapung shushu kitei kinong elam snong Maikhuli kipen pau ru ba halor kate kajing kwa kipat ba kasnong kiladep ban pha jingtho syaw konrat ke sangma menteri rengba ka sorkar jela ba unkeren sya ka sorkar Assam na ka benta ban pynkylla ya ka MoU batru ban penyo ia ka hok upat ba kasnong Maikhuli.
तो हम लोग बनाने का टाइम में कौन सी बाधा नहीं दिया है कोनो डिस्टर्ब नहीं किया है ये तो आसान का बन गया अभी बनाने के बाद में MoU में ऐसा बनता है तो कहाँ वो ढूंढे This is not the Mohamari bill. We call this Meghalaya in our Maikhuli village. This is the Maikhuli village fishery pond. Only we written this name. Maikhuli village fishery pond, not the Mohamari bill. Mohamari bill is 1 kilometer far from here. This is called Patorkusi Nogaon Gaon. There is no place now. Mohamari bill there is no, because this is already filled up and constructed dwelling house, everything. That's why people are not known. That's Mohamari bill. Actually, it is not called the Mohamari bill. This is the Mohamari bill is different. That's why we are protesting and giving the memorandum to Chief Minister and our Honorable Magistrate and DC also, Deputy Commissioner also. Just early when the Chief Minister came to this Umsining block inauguration, that time we have given a memorandum also, and Deputy Commissioner Ripoy and our Magistrate, Revenue Magistrate, Mr. Eric Dukar. That also we have already given. And if any will be included, Meghalaya during the detailed survey in Maikhuli area, Mohamari bill, which is adjacent to Maikhuli playground, will remain with Assam, and the Maikhuli graveyard will be with Meghalaya. Thus, overall Meghalaya will get approximately 0.50 per square kilometer, and Assam will get approximately 1.74 square kilometer. That's all, because we have very much protesting this from the beginning. When Meghalaya state is carved out from the Assam since 1972, we are fighting. And you know, 1976, when Captain Williamson Sangma is the chief minister, was the chief minister. That time, we went to meet
the Captain Williamson Sangma regarding this border problem. There also we should help from our Didi Lapang. He's still alive. Is very helpful to us in Maikhuli village people. Nah? That's why we went to meet the Captain Williamson Sangma that time also. Now we are not going to give our fishery fund to Assam because it is a well-known our Maikhuli village fishery fund. Now since more than 50 years we are maintaining. That's why we never going to surrender to Assam. It is the main point. That's why we are proceeding today. And also, we have more time. We have given the memorandum also to our Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, everyone, Chief Secretary also. When we got this memorandum, I myself, my name is Senepson Barak, I take out this RTI from our Chief Secretary Diwalang. No, that's why I got this memorandum and I have seen this all the points. No, that's why we are protesting here today. My view and my speak this much. So I request our Honorable Chief Minister Konrad Sangma, please look after this matter again and again. We have submitting memorandum also, and earlier we have submitted and details, historical and what to say, everything we have submitted to you. So please, sir, you please consider this matter and give back to the Maikhuli village. Thank you.
Chief Minister Komrad Sangma ko ang akan na mula kasabay jingiya MoU san kagubako Assam aro Meghalaya government sakani asong kagubako please nipulbo. Jengade maina jenga fishery gure jengade maina watjawa. Jengade maina skanguni bulsi sopunga gatam jengan jakhalnga ini gemen jengade maina fishery gure jengado onjawa. Na sir please na nibo. Terong sa nangi MoU san kagubako na nipulbo. Aro jenga mai jengi district council ni haako na digin direct do na manjawa. May jengade maina ino 6 schedule donga. Ingkote na direct na manjawaro sir. Na please na jengi ang bangibakan jawa na kasapay na judge kana kasay mana na jira kiban nipulbo angan nang ko yun metela.